What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. So we've got another games, okay? We got another gaming vlogs today. So okay, I'm gonna have to make a quick gameplay of the game, and it's also my thoughts and also my impression of the game, so what it looks like, right? So this is the game Pokemon Champions, and this is a new game that has been talk last year, right? And now this is already, they already finished develop the game and it's ready to install, right? So also this is available in Nintendo Switch only, right? So but also you can also play this game via mobile, okay? This is also available now in iOS and also Android, right? Yes, it is worldwide, okay? This is worldwide. So and yes, I think yesterday or the other day, so I forgot. So it is 8 already. So I think this was released on April 6, right? 6 or 7. So I forgot. So I'm gonna have to check that out, okay? Because I forgot. So let's go, okay? I'm gonna have to go to the I'm gonna have to go to the eShop first. It's because I forgot when is the release of this one. So there's also another one. We got the Pokemon Champions in a starter pack, but it is I think you have to buy this one. But this one right here is the full game, right? That you can, So I'm gonna have to, okay. Okay, there you go. So it already okay. 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 What? Why? Okay. All right. So gonna have to go back again, and then okay, gonna have to go back. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to check first. Okay. I'm gonna have to check. Okay. There you go. And then yeah. So this was released on I cannot see it clearly, right? So supported, I think this is only for the Nintendo Switch. So I don't know if I think it's gonna be working also in the Nintendo Switch one, right? This because I also installed it into my OLED, right? So yeah, I think it's available in Switch one also, yeah. So this was release date, okay. Release date is today, right? So the release date is today. So I think also the game is also released today via mobile, Android and iOS, right? So okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to the software, and then I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to click the game, and then let's go right? So and it's also supported by the controller also, right? It's supported by the controller. So I'm gonna have to skip, okay? I'm gonna have to skip. Alright, so what is this, okay? Here we go, this is the game, alright? This is already the game, so I forgot to record it, okay? Okay. Caraway and Kajima? Oh, Incineroar. Okay, we've got Incineroar. But I know, let's head to the game. It's because, okay. What is this, okay? Okay, so, yeah. I'm gonna have to skip that one also. I'm gonna have to skip that one. Let's get over to the game, okay? So yeah, let's get over to the game. So here we go. We go to the battle, okay? Okay, we go to the battle. So you cannot play rank for just for today because you're gonna have to finish the trial, right? So let's go. Gonna have to go to the casual, right? So that's what they mean. That's what they mean. Okay, we got right here. They also the single and double, right? So if you want to go on double team, yeah, tag team. Okay, I'm gonna get over to the single one. Okay, so yeah, there you go. This is my lineup, my first six Pokemon. Yeah. Opponent found. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay. I spoiler alert. Okay, so I played this last night. Okay, I played this last night. Okay, we're gonna get over. So what is this Pokemon? So he has a dragon. Okay. Mostly the other trainer has a dragon types, okay, and also has a fighting and poison type. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with yeah, this one is hard. Okay, gonna have to choose King Gambit. Okay, so since water, gonna have to go with water and fairy. Okay, go with Gengar. I don't have an ice type is because he has a dragon type, right? So gonna have to choose King Gambit. Okay, I'm gonna have to choose King Gambit. So 3 Pokemon, okay? Only 3 Pokemon that you can use. So gonna be the last is I'm gonna my thoughts and impression, alright? Okay. Oh, I forgot. So, okay. Oh, okay. This one. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's use an Aqua Jet. Oh, okay. He's... Oh, okay. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's why I confuse is because he has a dry skin, okay? That's what happened, okay? Alright. I'm gonna have to choose Gengar. Poison and Dark type. King Gambit. Okay, I'm gonna have to use King Gambit. I'm gonna have to use King Gambit, okay? What? Alright, not good. I'm gonna have to use Gengar, okay? I'm gonna have to use Gengar, okay? Yeah. So what moves can effective? Okay. Icy Wind. Oh, I forgot. Okay, Gengar has an Icy Wind. Right, okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to use Shadow Ball, okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Dig is a ground type move and is also super effective to poison type, right? So just like this one, right? So okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, I can use this one. Ah, okay. Oh, oh my God. Okay, not good, but you know, it's a ground. Okay, it's a ground. Oh, okay. Damage from the recoil. Okay. Didn't expect that one. So who's the last one? Toxic Crow. I don't know if... Yeah. I only have one, okay? Steel type, okay? Ah, okay. It does have a revive in this one. Ooh, okay. Oh, that was the Iron Head, okay. I didn't know that was the Iron Head, okay. It's effective, right? I lose, alright, okay. Alright, let's play another one, okay? Let's play, okay? Last one, okay? There you go. Just make sure I can win this, okay? Alright, who is this? We got some King Gambit, okay? Still the same, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna choose Pikachu, right? Okay. Gyarados, okay. And also Gengar. Alright, okay. Last one, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 I didn't know Pikachu can also use Surf. Okay, gonna use Grass Knot, okay. Okay, cheese and leftover. Okay. Ah, all right. Okay, yeah. Okay. I didn't know. Yeah, I forgot. Ground type is super effective against poison type. Okay. Okay, Gyarados. It's your turn. You got two moves against a dragon. Yeah, there you go. You're kidding me, right? Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Uh, Who's next? Okay, I forgot. What's this using again? Okay. Effective? Effective, okay, effective. Alright. Alright, okay. So, okay. But you know, it's okay. Yeah, so, is this a casual? This is just a casual for a moment. Okay. Let's go over to the... We're gonna have to quit, okay. So, okay. My, you know... Okay, my thoughts about it is this is just like the Pokemon tournament, but with a twist, right? Yeah, there's a twist, and then also they have some health items that they can use right? All right, okay. Alright, so that was the game all about. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to break down all the, I'm gonna have to break down all the from the games. Okay, so first is also I just last night when I was playing, right? So they have some leftovers. They have some health items, right? So if they are low on health, low on HP, so it's gonna be starting again to rise up again their HP, right? And it's also you can recruit another Pokemon, right? So, and it's also that is one thing also that what this game all about, right? This is the brand new Pokemon tournament, right? So the Pokemon and Tekken, right? So combination that they can also use Mega Evolution, but this one right here is also they can use a Mega Evolution. They can use a Terra, right? Terastalize. And they can also use Dynamax or Gigantamax. And I think they can be using also a Z move, right? I believe, right? So we've got we got some. I think I'm just gonna break down all the special moves. Okay, we've got the Mega Evolution, right? From the X and Y Z, and after in that you got the Sun and Moon from the Alola is the Z moves. Okay, and then also after it is from the Galar. Is the Dynamax in the Gigantamax, right? And there's also the fourth one is also the Terastalize, right? They got four. I don't know if they're gonna be putting the Z move, right? Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna be putting it up right here in the game, right? So I'm gonna be expecting for that one, right? And hoping that this is gonna be a great game next to Pokemon Unite, right? So I also love Pokemon Unite, right? So yeah, but you cannot, but you cannot replace the Pokemon Unite for this one, right? It's because Pokemon is a really good game, really good when it comes to games, right? Since from the start, right? Game Boy and also the Pokemon Fire Red and Leaf Green, yeah, like that one. So this is a really good and also a perfect game to each and everyone, right? So yeah, so my final thoughts about it. It is so awesome. I love it. And it's also one-on-one battle, right? So a one-on-one battle. So you can use single Pokemon and also you can use a double team, right? A double team. So a fun game to play, right? So and also release today worldwide, I think, right? So yeah, also available in Nintendo Switch only, and also for the Android and iOS, right? So mobile, you can play this on mobile, right? So okay, yeah, this is a good one. Also, I really love it, right? So I really love it, and also fun to play, right? Fun to play. So, so a good game that represents as a Pokemon trainer, right? So it's because you have to get 6 Pokemon, but you can play only 3 Pokemon, right? So that is a great catch up also on the game, right? So all right, so yeah, I think that's it for my video for today. So we get a quick gameplay and also my reaction, and it's also my thoughts about it, and also the first impression of the game, right? So okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and thank you so much, and see you again on the next one.